I knew they wouldn't. I was thinking of telling the guy, keep the bone with it.
When I first took this out, she was like walking backwards. She was all, you're gay, stand up. She was like this. They never do stuff for the video.
Oh, just nibble on it.
Her face. Oh, let me take it all in one bite. That would be good. She's just.
Oh my gosh!
She went like this.
That was Elmo-esque.
Yeah.
She was on her back leg.
She takes her meat very seriously.